Hey everyone, I'm Sam. I run an automation and consulting business called Profit Plug AI. We did over $400,000 last year. The goal is to hit a million by the end of this year. The goal of these videos is for me to show you no bullshit what it actually takes to scale a business and the stuff that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis to essentially add another 40K a month to my business so that hopefully it can be of value to you. The way these videos usually go is I start off with some comment Q&A. Any questions that you have, just put them down. I'm going to answer all of them. Then I dive into some business strategy, and then we end up looking at some analytics so that we know whether we're growing or not. Today, I broke my iMac, so please bear with me. I had plans to show you all. I am on a Mac that I have just set up, and this is all new, so please bear with me. Ankur Guha says, yes sir, solopreneur is powered by AI, 100%. I believe in that. Give us some Claude tips and tricks, basics to advanced level, use cases, etc. Also, you're gonna cross the 100 subs mark with 48 hours, easy. Appreciate that, man. I am going to record some stuff for Claude. The way I usually operate is pretty different from the way I've seen other people do that. I personally have not been a fan of using the terminal. I don't know why, but I've sort of had some sort of fear or high friction towards starting that. And everything that I've wanted to do, including claudecode, I've done it through the app. Now, a lot of people are going to call me out on that it's a bunch of bullshit, but I figured that my way of using that, it's pretty different compared to others, might not be the best technically. So maybe that's helpful, but I think I am going to do something around Claude Cowork for sure. Apart from that, regarding use cases, I'm going to point out two to you that I've been using, which I personally feel like have been extremely helpful. So what you can done today, what you can get done today is get your entire gene sequencing done for like $200 in India or basically anywhere in the world. What that gives you is essentially, say your gene is a long sequence, right? Say a bunch of alphabets scrambled together to create your DNA, and a very small percentage of that is responsible for diseases, medicine, the way the the things that you are immune against, the way you look, the stuff that makes you different from others. So the stuff that makes you unique is basically a very small percentage of that. The rest of it goes into the stuff that makes you you, basically a human being, right? What you can get done today is get that gene sequence done. Right after that, give all of that data to Claude, and you can use a bunch of open source libraries that Claude figures out by itself to figure out what are the things that you should look out for. So I personally figured out after giving that Claude for myself that I have certain problems for my eyes that I need to get checked, and certain problems with my lungs that I need to get checked, and stuff that I should be doing on a day-to-day basis to take care of my health. Not exactly business related, but this is something I highly, highly recommend everybody else doing. The same test, when I got it done quite some time back in Dubai, costed me like around $5,000. Now, anybody in their home can get it done for $200 or less. So, that's a huge use case that I don't see people utilizing. Also, Claude Science has stopped. So, if you have access to that just check it out. I mean, really awesome. Get your diet charts, tell it about yourself, give it your blood reports, do that for yourself, your mom, your dad, everybody. That's one use case that I think is highly, highly underrated. Another use case that I've been seeing around me is, you know how a lot of people still track things manually on pen and paper? It's very easy to just OCR that, take photos of that, put it into a system and try and automate and create systems around that. I've seen people's mind getting blown away by that. Imagine you going to a person who is managing, manages everything by hand, and you essentially take that notebook, OCR that, and Claude figures out what to do with all that data, and they see a bunch of insights through that. Their mind gets blown away, and people are very happy paying you for that as well. So it's something that I mean, you can build once and probably takes you a few hours to do that. And you can actually make someone's day or just make them happy for the fun of it. So, something I recommend doing as well, just for fun. Now, talking business, my plan is to show you all a bunch of automations that I've been building and also show you all my approach to content. Just make it public and call a shot on what I'm planning to do publicly, show you the steps that I need to take to do those, and actually build with you guys because I figured the last thing that got me the most appreciation or very good feedback from you guys was when I actually dive deep into how I actually think and get work done or how I actually approach problem solving. So I think that's something that's going to be pretty valuable. And that is actually my plan going forward as well. So that's what I'm going to do. My pen and stuff that I want to show you, but boys, I'm recording looms here. So bear with me. Yeah, we are at what? We are at 89 subs. 100 by tomorrow night. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. You know what to do. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you all tomorrow. Yeah, I need to show you all some really cool stuff. Just bear with me. I need to figure out a charger for my iMac and get it fixed, but yep. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Right. I hope you all have a lovely rest of the day. Take care.